Hello, welcome to Cooper Auto Sales, classic and collectibles. This is a rare example of a mostly all original 1971 Toyota Hilux pickup. These trucks were built between 1968 and 1971. They had the 18 four-cylinder motor in them. This truck was sold in Washington State, Burien Toyota. The bed is real nice, very little rust. The dealer installed bumper. Interior's good. Comes with some owner's manual, brochure. Does have a cracked windshield. Windshields are hard to find. The Hilux decal. The factory original marking lights, signals. Well, there you have it, the 1971 Toyota Hilux. Runs and drives great. $18RU. Little surface rust, but this truck would clean up really well with some detail and pressure washing. There you have it. May 9th, 2026. Thanks for watching.